Hydraulic tanks are typically produced by manual welding. For several years, Padoan has been producing tanks by robotic MIG-MAG welding technology. This technology is used for both side and perimetral welding. This means the automated process is used to manufacture the body of the tank and to merge the body and sidewalls. In addition, suction, return connections, and plates are also welded through this automatized technology. We consider the quality standard and the replicability as fundamental to guarantee life and high performance for our customer in their daily demanding working conditions. Our automated process also allows for an outstanding cleanliness inside the tank, without weld contamination that could happen with manual welding, especially on tanks with 90-degree corners. Our team has a core value in our workflow processes, particularly in our welding process. Even though it is performed by automated robots, our operators continuously program, check, and evaluate the different stages of production to achieve the highest quality standards. Our automated processes at Padoan are characterized by continuous human supervision.